Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 111. So I'm sorry I've been away for a very long time on this channel. So guys, I thought of starting something new, so I was taking a time of what to do actually. So now I got an idea that I want to do love scopes. So let's see how it goes. So we are going to start with love scopes for December directly, for the first week of December, that is 1st to 7th of December, and let's see what is going to happen. Let's start with the fire sign. So I'm starting with Aries and then Leo and Sagittarius. So see guys, whatever resonates, take the whatever resonates and leave the rest, and let's see how it goes guys. Welcome back to my channel, and let's move on to our reading. Guys, so I already have the cards that I need, and the bottom of the deck is Justice again. So I see, if you all have not been getting justice till now, expect something good happening for y'all. Okay, in your love life, like if your person was not listening to their higher self and not approaching you, not giving you the offer that you wanted, this is coming for you, because your person is becoming more and more spiritual. They are listening to their higher self and they are taking guided action. So you can expect something in December. Okay, again we have the Lovers card over here. So this is around Christmas time. So yes, this changes are going to come from the first week of December. You might see little bit of communication which will proceed into something greater in the future. I also see you becoming a magician. You having all the tools and everything that you wanted. So in the matters of love, if you were feeling uncomfortable with yourself or anything like that, this is going to change. I see you being more and more going within yourself and finding answers in yourself instead of looking out for the answers. So this is quite good over here guys. I see a lovely energy coming in for the first week of December. I see action, I see communication, I see you and your person listening to their higher self and taking guided action. So yes guys, there's lots of great things coming in the matters of love for Aries. I would like to conclude this reading for you guys with a lovely message from your person and also a few charms. Okay guys, so let's see lovely messages from your person if you are Aries for the first week of December. Okay, so I see you have been in my dreams. So yes guys, this person is dreaming about you a lot, and let's see, your words linger in my mind. So this is the second message for you from your person, and one more message guys. Let's see what more comes up. I feel safer in silence. So this is what is going to change. Okay guys, for now, for the first week, they are going to be dreaming about you, being guided to take action, but there's going to be a lot of hesitation. As I told you, you will not get much. You might get much more by the end of the month. Okay, now let's take a few charms guys, and let's see what we get with our charms today for Aries, and a few alphabets if I can. Okay, so this is what I get over here guys. This would help you even more. Extra messages if your person is name starts or ends, if your person's initials are from the letter B, Z, okay, O and F. So this will resonate with you a bit more, and let's see what we have in the charms guys. We have if there is a distance, like physical distance, if you'll have to travel to meet each other, then I see this also happening. I see you receiving a lot of messages in music, guys, a lot of messages in music. Then see there's love over here, definitely. And also this relationship will grow as a tree, you know. It will grow slow, but it will grow steady. Okay, your person might be wearing glasses, that is what I'm getting over here. Maybe they study abroad, and that is the reason why you know, y'all are separate. And also they want to come to you with a flower, guys. So I hope y'all liked this reading, and see you guys again very soon. Till then, bye.